Let's review the different elements of a production system. At the heart of the system, there is a process which produces outputs and which requires inputs. If we look at the next level of granularity, in terms of inputs, if you think of making a pen, for instance, what do you need? You need the materials to make it, you need a person, people, man, to produce. You also need instructions, procedures, methods. You need tools, machines, which we'll call machinery, and obviously you need a building, a work environment. Now in terms of process, basically you can think of 5 steps that you will always find in processes. The first one being transport. You transport the material from one place to the place where it's going to be transformed. You also store the material. Then you prepare all the inputs, you set them up, and then you add value by transforming the raw material. And the last step is checking that you have produced the right product. In terms of outputs, there are 2 categories of outputs. The first one is related to the people. You think of safety of the people. It's a very important factor as an output. The second one being the morale of the people. If they have a good morale, they produce well. And 3 elements are related to the product itself. The first one being quality of the manufactured product. The second one is the time it takes to produce, or the production rate. The last one being the cost of the production process. Now we can sum these elements up, input, process, output, with the following chart. 5 inputs, 5 process steps, and 5 outputs.